Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and OnePlus 8 Pro feature arguably the best smartphone displays on the market right now. Apple is expected to introduce some big screen upgrades on the iPhone 12 Pro too. Despite all of these improvements, the flagship Nokia 9.3 Pureview could wipe the floor with them all thanks to a revolutionary new display technology. Back in January, a reliable tipster said HMD Global was testing under-display camera technology for its latest generation flagship, known at the time as Nokia 9.2 Pureview. The company was, however, testing a pop-up camera system. The expectation was that HMD would eventually select the pop-up selfie camera, but sources close to the company now say the under-display camera solution has almost been finalized as part of a huge upgrade, said to be known as Pure Display version 3. This means customers interested in the Nokia 9.3 Pureview can expect an all-screen design paired with extremely slim bezels and zero compromises, something not expected on any other premium smartphone this year. To further ensure the Nokia flagship is seen as the best of the best, the sources said HMD Global is planning a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It seems like we have been arguing about selfie cameras for years now. Ever since bezels started to vanish and we went full screen, we have seen ton of different housing for front-facing cameras. Notch designs have arguably been the most divisive topic in the tech space for a while now. Early notch designs propelled by the notch in the iPhone X were pretty ugly. They were big, intrusive and broke the symmetry of a smartphone. In fact, they were so ugly that companies like Google eventually backtracked and brought back bezels in the Pixel 4. Other companies resisted and tried new designs such as hole punch, pop-up cameras and even sliders. These designs are fun to see, they all seem to dance around the key problem, not solve it. A hidden selfie camera means we can finally stop having this debate. No more bickering over notch versus punch hole, no more arguing about moving parts. Clearly, we have still got a ways to go before the selfie camera can be completely hidden while in use. Everyone expected that it would be Samsung who is going to commercialize this tech by launching it in a mass-produced smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy S21. But it seems Nokia may actually beat Samsung to market by releasing it before them on their upcoming flagship, the Nokia 9.3 Pureview. But hearing Nokia could beat these companies to market is sort of surprising. This should help position the flagship as a more direct competitor to the S20 Ultra and OnePlus 8 Pro, especially when combined with all-screen design with under-display camera technology. The phone will also have a 108MP camera setup with the possibility of a penta-camera system, similar to the Nokia 9 Pureview. It's being rumored that Nokia is ditching the light camera technology as a partner because of the lack of post-launch support for the Nokia 9 last year. Nokia is now believed to be working with a new partner to perfect its next-gen camera system. The main camera on this system is going to be 64MP with the addition of a 108MP ultra-wide sensor. Other features include the Snapdragon 865 chipset, 5G network support and stock Android. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.